Dolls, I'm back again to share with you all some more fabulous goodies I scored by shopping at my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by digging in these bags. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you waiting to see what the glam find in her local Dollar Tree this time. So I want to start out by sharing with you some goodies I picked up out of the makeup section, because if you are an official glam doll to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed glam doll, you know when I go to my local Dollar Tree, I mainly go into the beauty section. So while I was in there, I came across this gorgeous makeup bag. How cute is this? So it is by Sassy & Chic, and it's a pretty good size too. When you get it open, it does have a protective lining on the inside. That way, as you place your eyeshadows, your lipsticks or whatever, if it happens to break open, spill, you'll still be able to easily wipe whatever spilled out. So that's another thing that really attracted me to it, and the fact that it is in an animal print, so I got that. The next thing I pick up is by my favorite brand in the whole wide world, and for me to say that, you should know what I'm talking about. My official glam dolls, that is. LA Colors Cosmetics, yes! If you're an official glam doll to this community and on this channel, you know when it comes to LA Colors Cosmetics, I love them to pieces. So anyhow, I've seen that they released some liquid eyeshadows up in there, and the first color I have is called Cheers. That looks like this right here, and these are the liquid eyeshadows. So I got Cheers, and then I picked up another one called Toasted. So these two right here, Cheers and Toasted, these are the liquid eyeshadows. Super cute. I also picked up another liquid eyeshadow called Smoking. This one is called Smoking. What I like about Smoking, it looks like a gorgeous metallic gray, not even silver, like a metallic gray color. So this was real exciting to find, so I have that one. And the last color I picked up is called Regal. That looks like this right here. So these two is Smoking and Regal. Got those two colors. Still with LA Colors Cosmetics, the next thing I picked up to complement the liquid eyeshadows are the matte liquid liners, and this is in a matte black. That looks like this right here in matte black. I also picked up the metallic liquid liner in metallic blue. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love that one right there. And the last one I picked up is metallic rose gold. You cannot go wrong with a rose gold metallic liquid liner, and that's what that one is looking like. And then I picked up the cutest wall decal. It says Paris on it, and this is actually what it looks like once you apply it onto your wall. That's what it's going to look like. However, it comes like this right here, and these are a wall decal, and you put it together on your wall, and it's going to look like that right there once you put it on your wall. So that is the wall decal that I picked up, and that was all the makeup that I got out of Dollar Tree. I did see that they had quite a few other things in there, but I didn't want to overly indulge myself. I've been very good lately at shopping in Dollar Tree. I don't go in so hard like I used to. So still in the beauty section, another thing I picked up to organize all these products that I'm getting is a clear acrylic organizer. These have popped back up in my local Dollar Tree. I was super excited to have seen them. I have two different kinds here to show you. This first one is the one that looks like this right here, and it's kind of in a tier, so it's going like up like steps. This goes up like steps, and on the top it has a single compartment to where you can put like your foundations or something like that on it. And this one right here in particular, these can hold your nail polishes. So this one can hold your nail polish, and this one can pretty much hold your lipsticks, and I got those two right there. Well, actually I have more than two of them, but I'm showing you these two that I have right here, and I will be using these to help organize my vanity. So that's a video that's coming up very shortly. But on that note, dolls, that just concluded the video. super small haul, but I did want to come on here and quickly just share it with you all. And if you did see something in here that you like from Dollar Tree, I highly do encourage that you get yourself out and you look for it, because one thing for certain about Dollar Tree that we all can agree on: once something is gone, it is gone. There ain't no telling when it's gonna come back. So on that note, dolls, as I said, this did just conclude the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.